Horror van. Mateo. Nem más mondani.
Hagyd ott, lehet.
Nem, ami elkészíteni. Ami kell, le. Lei ragazzi stanno lei proprio esagerata sciacca lei
Se swimmando?
guarda dimmi ciao lei non dà sciacca oggi quindi poco stesso non ne mai ho potuto male non sempre un po' riesco io l'ho fermato non muore lei la mano mi fa male
Vanno proprio un mezzo, dove sei?
Questo
è successo macchina? È strano.
My father taught me many things here. He taught me in this room. He taught me, keep your friends close, but your enemies close.
Corey and I are going to teach you a little bit about diabetes training. The way dogs detect blood sugar levels is through their nose. A dog's nose is about 40 times stronger than a human's nose, so they can smell the hormone changes that happen when your blood sugar goes high or low. Here I have a t-shirt I wore when I had a low blood sugar that I use to practice low blood sugar alerts with Corey. I take the shirt and I hide it under my sweater so that he will get the low smell and come and alert me. I pretend like I'm doing something else so that he doesn't catch on that I'm trying to practice training with him. He alerts me by booping his nose into my leg. Good boy! He also brings me my juice bottle, which is in the same place, so he always knows where it is. Good boy! And he gets his favorite treat afterwards, cheese! Good boy! Oh my. Thanks. Oh, is it going low? Yeah, let's see. Scanning. 118 straight down. That means I'm dropping really fast. What a good boy! Yay! How does Corey know that my blood sugar is going low? He can smell it. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, and he can smell the chemical isoprene, which is what is present whenever I'm having a low blood sugar. Here's what Corey does when my blood sugar is in range. I just checked my blood sugar to see what it is, and it's in a stable range. I can always ask Corey to do a check, and then he should show me if my blood sugar is high, low, or okay. Corey, do a check. Good boy. High five. Good boy. Today I'm going to show you how Corey alerts in the car. Corey sits behind me in the car on the back seat. I make sure he's strapped in with his harness and his seatbelt so that way he's protected in case of an accident. I drove to an empty parking lot so that I could show you guys how we do this. Again, I use my low towels, so I had these on for about 10 minutes when my blood sugar was 66. I make sure Corey's not really paying attention to me, so I can open the tube and put the towels under my jacket. You can see I have them now hidden sort of under my jacket, but that way he could still smell them from the back. pretty much instantly he starts alerting me. I always have dog treats in my car and juice in my car. Wait, good boy!
Hey! Papa! Hey! Papa! Hey! Papa! Hey!
सगे बेटे ने अपनी 76 साल की बुजुर्ग मां को इतनी ताकत से थप्पड़ मारा कि उनके प्राण निकल गए।
देखिए लखनऊ से खबर है जहां लखनऊ में एक बेटे ने अपने ही मां को मार डाला।
जिसके आने से मुकम्मल हो गई थी जिंदगी, दस्तके खुशियों ने दी थी, मिट गई थी हर कमी, क्यों बेवजह दिए सजा, क्यों ख्वाब देके बोले गया, जिए जो हम लगे सितम, अज़ाब ऐसे वो दे गया, मैं ढूंढने को उसके दिल में जो खुदा निकला।
Ustedes y yo tenemos que hablar.
¿Por qué no comes la papa? Explícamelo. Explícamelo. 15 meses tenés. 15 meses. No te rías. No te rías. Te cocino. Escuchá, te hago zapallo con papa. Zapallo con papa, con pollito, todo procesado. Tiene queso mantecoso, queso cremoso, tiene nutrientes, vitaminas, calcio. ¿Por qué no comes? Explícame, dale. Deja de hacer caras. Escúchame. ¿Por qué no comes la papa? Tenés que comer la papa. Mira, le vamos a mostrar. ¿Por qué no comes la papa vos, Angelina? Angelina Zamotti Padilla. ¿Por qué? Explícamelo a mí. Mírame a mí. Ey, a mí mírame. Mírame a mí. A mí, acá mírame. ¿Por qué no comes la papa? Espero tu respuesta. ¿Qué? No come. Contame a mí. No mires para ahí. Acá. Escúchame, basta de monerías. Angelina, ¿por qué no comes la papa? No es todo pan, yogur y Nestum. No, tenés que comer pollo. Nos distraemos. No. Tengamos una charla seria. Vos sos la bebé, yo soy la mamá. Yo sé lo que es bueno para vos. Tenés que entender. No. ¿Por qué no comés? Deja de mirarte la pantalla. A ver, escucha. ¿Por qué? No entiendo qué me querés decir. ¿Y te gusta la banana? ¿La banana te gusta? ¿Banana? Y no, pero no puede ser. No puedes vivir a yogur, Nestum y banana. No. No. Yo te amo. ¿Vos sabés que yo te amo? ¿Me das un va? Bueno, no importa que comas. Saludamos. Tiraba.
우선 가. 우선 썰고 기다려. 네. 내부지. 오늘 코.
Hey, the person you see next to me amazed me, and I think she will amaze you too.
Hi, my name is Sharon Barak.
Because this person is solving the plastic pollution problem. Yes, this problem. It's no secret by now that plastic is hurting the environment. Every year we produce 300 million tons of plastic, and 50% of that is single-use plastic like this. You use it once for a few seconds, you throw it away, and it stays in nature for hundreds of years, in the forest and in the oceans, causing harm to everyone. Single-use plastic is a problem. And that's where Sharon comes in. This chemical engineer used to work at a plastic company until she quit to go solve the plastic problem. After years of research and hard work, she made a unique product that looks like plastic, that functions like plastic, but is not really plastic.
Because this product, it's not plastic at all, but it looks and feels like one.
So how many materials did you mix?
A lot.
So when you put her product in the water, bam, 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 it dissolves within minutes.
After you finish using it and you throw it away, it will just go back, break down, and biodegrade in nature.
And real plastic stays the same. Her product is so environmentally friendly that even when it disappears in water, you can still drink it. From this material, she can make plastic for packaging, for food covering, for bottles, for anything.
And when it works, it really has the potential to solve this problem and make the world a better place and cleaner.
Now, Sharon has assembled a team here in Israel to take over the world with her invention.
And it's so exciting, to do it my way, to know that I can really do an influence.
She is 8 months pregnant and together with her partner is working every single day to make the world better for her children. See you next week.
It hasn't been done before.
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book.